Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited because today we're taking your cruise game to the next level. I've rounded up 25 insider cruise secrets. Yes, 25 that will save you money, upgrade your food, and help you avoid the rookie mistakes that so many people make. And trust me, these aren't just random tips. These are the real deal secrets that even experienced cruisers often miss. If you're a first-time cruiser, you're going to love these. If you're a seasoned cruiser, I bet you'll learn something new. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's unlock the 25 cruise secrets the cruise lines don't want you to know. And hey, if you're excited to cruise like a pro, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome cruise tips. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with embarkation day. Here's the first secret. Don't run straight to the buffet. I know you're excited and hungry after all that travel, but the buffet is the busiest spot on board right after boarding. Instead, head to a sit-down restaurant or even a poolside grill. You'll get fresh hot food with zero lines, and you'll start your trip feeling relaxed instead of stressed. Second, pack a mini embarkation day bag with your swimsuit, sunscreen, and a change of clothes. That way, you can jump straight in the pool or hot tub while everyone else waits for their luggage. And here's one more. Right after you board, take 30 minutes to explore every deck. Seriously, I've found secret sun decks, hidden hot tubs, and quiet lounges just by wandering. These are the best spots to relax later, and they're usually empty because nobody bothers to look around on day one. Your cabin might be small, but you can make it feel so much bigger. One of my favorite secrets? The walls are magnetic. Bring a few strong magnets or magnetic hooks and hang up your lanyards, hats, or even the daily planner. It's a total game changer for staying organized. Next up, the beds usually have tons of space underneath. Roll your suitcase under there to get it out of the way. And those big mirrors? Check behind them. Some cabins have hidden shelves. And for sleeping better at night, here's a little personal tip. I always bring a small white noise machine or use a white noise app on my phone. Ship noises, like hallway doors and those occasional 3 a.m. party people, can mess with your sleep. Oh, and if the thermostat in your cabin doesn't seem to work, don't just tough it out. Call maintenance. They can often fix it quickly or adjust it from the control room. Let's talk food. The main dining room is a hidden gem because you can order as much as you want. No judgment. 2 appetizers, 2 mains, 3 desserts? Totally fine. And here's the real secret. They'll often make off-menu items if you ask politely. Things like a custom pasta or Indian curry can be yours if the kitchen can swing it. Another money-saving tip, specialty dining venues usually offer discounts on the first night. It's their way of filling seats, and you can save a lot, sometimes even up to 50%. And here's a fun little bonus. If you're a dessert lover like me, skip the buffet and ask your server in the main dining room about special desserts that aren't on the menu. I once scored a warm chocolate lava cake that wasn't even listed. Timing is everything. You'll avoid the biggest crowds if you skip the traditional meal times, like 8 a.m. for breakfast, 12 p.m. for lunch, or 6 p.m. for dinner. Instead, eat early or late. My personal favorite? A late breakfast around 10:30 a.m. The lines are gone, and you can still grab everything from pancakes to custom omelets. Same goes for dinner. If you can wait until 7:30 or even 8, you'll skip the early dinner chaos, and the food is usually fresher because they're restocking. And always check the daily planner for buffet hours. Some close completely between meals, and you don't want to be left hungry. Want to find those secret quiet spots? Every ship has them, but you've got to know where to look. Look for observation decks near the bow. sometimes above the bridge or tucked behind a door labeled "Crew Only." These spots are perfect for sunrise or sunset views. Also, check out the adults-only solarium if your ship has one. It's usually much quieter than the main pool, with comfy loungers and even a small pool or hot tub. And here's one most people miss. There's often a hidden snack station near the bars. Tiny sandwiches, pastries, and sometimes pizza slices. Great for a late-night bite when the buffet is closed. Big shows in the main theater are amazing, but the real fun is in the smaller events. Trivia contests, karaoke nights, or crew-led dance classes. These are where you meet the most interesting people and make the best memories. Want the best seats for the big show? Get there 30 minutes early or go to the later performance. It's usually less crowded. And for a unique experience, ask about behind-the-scenes tours. Some ships offer them for a small fee, and you can see the kitchens, the bridge, or even the engine control room. It's super cool to see how the ship actually runs. Let's talk about port days. Shore excursions can be pricey if you book through the cruise line. Here's the secret. Local tour operators are often half the price and more customizable. But if you're worried about missing the ship, only book with companies that guarantee to get you back on time. They'll usually cover your return if they mess up, so you can relax and enjoy. Pack a dry bag for excursions. Rain showers happen, and nothing's worse than soggy electronics or ruined souvenirs. And if you're worried about the crowds, come back to the ship an hour early. You'll have the whole pool deck and hot tubs to yourself. Food safety is a big deal. Most cruise lines are really careful, but keep an eye out for anything that looks dried out or suspicious, like creamy dishes that aren't sitting on ice or serving utensils buried in the food. Wash your hands every time you enter and leave the buffet. Seriously, it's the easiest way to avoid the dreaded norovirus. And don't be shy about using sanitizer stations all over the ship. For seasickness, book a midship, lower deck cabin. It's the most stable. And pack a mini first aid kit, seasickness meds, bandages, painkillers, and maybe even a few electrolyte packets for hot days. That last morning can be total chaos. Here's my favorite hack. Skip the buffet. Head to the main dining room instead. It's calm, has table service, and you'll actually get to enjoy your last meal on board. If you have a late flight, ask guest services if you can stay in a lounge area after your room checkout. They'll usually let you relax in a quiet spot instead of sending you straight to the terminal. And triple check your final onboard bill the night before. It's way easier to fix charges while you're still on board. Let's end with a rapid-fire round of bonus secrets. Download the cruise app early. It's a lifesaver for menus, maps, and activity schedules. Bring a reusable water bottle to fill up at free hydration stations. It saves money and the planet. Set your phone to airplane mode to avoid surprise roaming fees. Check out the onboard shops on the last day. Huge discounts. Ask your steward for extra pillows or hangers. They're usually happy to help. And most importantly, relax and have fun. You're on vacation, and you deserve it. And there you have it. 25 cruise secrets that will turn your next trip into a total win. If you picked up something new today, smash that like button and share this video with a friend who loves cruising. Drop a comment below with your personal cruise tips. I love hearing what works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.